What's up, y'all? It's MonayxMarie back with another video. If you're new here, welcome. As most of you know, I am due to give birth soon, like really soon. So I just wanted to do a quick video to show you all what's in my hospital bag that I just packed yesterday morning. This is not the official diaper bag. This is just the bag for us to go to the hospital. And with COVID going on and things being a little different than normal, I honestly have no idea if this is too much packed or if this is not enough packed or what. So let's just jump right into it. The bag has pockets on the side. I honestly just packed it yesterday morning and I don't remember what I have. For me, I just have a pair of socks and my bonnet in these pockets, and then I also packed a pair of throw-on clothes in case I end up having to walk around the hospital. It's just pajamas and a t-shirt and a robe, underwear, and I'm gonna take an outfit to go home in. Not really an outfit, I'm actually just gonna take a pair of sweats and a t-shirt, kind of literally what I have on right now. I'll probably grab these sweatpants and this hoodie just because they just go on so easily and they're comfortable, and I know I probably won't be feeling like my best self. So for me, I just basically have pajamas and one pair of clothes to go home. My toiletries, for the most part, stay in my purse all the time in a go bag. So I didn't need to pack that in here because I always have it. For baby K, I packed 2 outfits and a t-shirt. Since it's winter, the thing I was looking for mostly when I was trying to figure out what to put in the bag is how to do the layers so he's not super duper cold. Y'all, if I look cross-eyed, I don't have my glasses on and I really can't even see myself right now. Everything's so blurry. Wait, actually. Now we in business. I was mostly looking for how to do the layers so he wouldn't be cold leaving the hospital, and I came across the recommendation for how to dress the baby in the car seat for the winter, which is layers, undershirt, clothes, swaddle blanket, and then have a blanket on top. Don't put a coat on them because it's not safe. So this is his going home outfit, and it's a little, well, first I have an undershirt, and then this is his going home outfit, which I was 90% sure I had a hoodie too that I guess I lost already. Oh no, here's the hoodie. Yeah, undershirt, outfit, and then here is another outfit just in case. I don't know how long we're gonna be there. I know some people with COVID have been going home the same day. Some people stay 2 days. I don't know if he'll go through an outfit or if he'll just be chilling for the most part. So I also just packed the extra onesie. I have no idea how babies live their life during day to day. I've been around babies, but not my own, obviously. So I don't know. A cover up, which is basically a little snowsuit that you can put him in. It's velcroed. You just put his legs in there, you velcro it up, and then you wrap his arms in, pop his hood up. Little hat, and the mittens to the hat are lost. I suck. I'm gonna be a hot mess on wheels because I don't know where I put them. Oh, here they go. These are the mittens that go to his hat, and then these are mittens that actually go to his little outfit. 2 pair of socks. Of course, I packed the socks that say I love mommy on them because I thought they were so cute. So his hat and mittens. A swaddle blanket. I only bought one because I figured the hospital will have the ones that they usually wrap the baby in, or blankets that I can ask for. I'm pretty sure they'll have most stuff. I did, however, put in one little sample pack of wipes that I had got, because when I was looking for how to pack the bag, I read a lot of moms say that some hospitals only give you dry wipes, so you have to keep wetting them. So that's why I packed this. And then I have this big blanket, which will be the one that goes over him in the car seat, or to leave out of the hospital, or just a thicker blanket to keep him warm. For dad, I'm not concerned because he's a grown man and can pack his own bag. But for miscellaneous stuff, I also intend to pack my laptop, which is currently in use, and the charger, obviously, so I didn't pack it in here. I constantly have a charger for my phone in my car, so I didn't need to pack that in there. And then I also packed this Polaroid camera, which only has 2 pictures left in it, so I hope they come out good or we don't accidentally take one, because I don't have any more film to put in it. I'm okay with not taking snacks because honestly I'm like terrified to poop on myself when I give birth, even though like most people say that they do. I'm so scared and I really don't want to, so I'm okay with not eating snacks. I will probably just eat like right before I get there. A lot of people also say like to pack slippers, but I practically live in my Nike slides, so I don't think I need to pack any slippers. Overall, it was a stressful process packing the bag because I just feel like I need more. Like I feel like I should have more stuff, or maybe I have too much stuff. I really have no idea. So it was kind of stressful not knowing. I looked at like a bunch of lists, but if necessary, someone can always go home and get more stuff because I don't live that far from the hospital that I plan to deliver at. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave some funny comments below because I better be delivering this goddamn baby by the time this video goes out. As always, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button to join my expanding family. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you. Bye.